Good evening. Today is March 21, 2024, Thursday, and here are the 7 p.m. SL Visayas result today for Lapu-Lapu City and Mandawi City. Here are the STLs for 3 7 p.m. draw result for Lapu-Lapu City under Lock 7 Games and Amusement Corporation for March 21, 2024, Thursday. Here are the STLs for 3 7 p.m. draw result for Mandawi City under Piana Trading Supply Corporation for Thursday, March 21, 2024. Thank you for watching the 7 p.m. video for evening of March 21, 2024, Thursday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.